Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable caps lock notification in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you need to do is just go ahead in your search bar. Then in your search bar, just type settings. Then in best match, you'll find settings. Just open the settings app. Then in settings, on the left-hand menu, you'll find accessibility. Just click on that. After that, just scroll all the way down. And inside interactions, you'll find a lot of options, including keyboard. And the keyboard option will include sticky keys, filter and toggle keys, and on-screen keyboard. Just go inside the keyboard option. Then in keyboard options, what you need to do is just turn off the toggle keys. And this will make sure a sound is not played when you press caps lock, num lock, or scroll lock. Then what you want to do is just go to notification preference. Just click on the drop-down menu. After that, make sure to uncheck both of this. This will not notify you when you turn on sticky keys, filter, or toggle keys from the keyboard, and it will not play a sound. And basically, that is how to disable caps lock notification in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.